Welcome back. If you have a mortgage loan on a home, you need homeowners insurance. And there has been a trend with the cost of insurance lately. Joining me now is mortgage expert Tyler Osby. Tyler, behind garage door number 1, we are talking about insurance costs today. What have you seen?
They've gone up.
They have,
They've
for
gone
sure.
up a lot.
Like many things, but
Yeah.
insurance for sure.
Yeah.
And what impact does this have on somebody's house payment?
Well, if you have a mortgage and you're escrowed for homeowners insurance and taxes, you've probably noticed as they went to pay your insurance premium that your payment had to go up. And sometimes people don't notice that insurance premium went up with other notices until it starts spilling over into their mortgage payment. And it's important that people understand that they do have options if this happens, but it's also important to know that it's not an immediate effect. So, but if this happens and you're frustrated, you're not alone, and you do have options.
And let's talk about that behind garage door number 2. If you decide to look at these options, what are some things to consider as you dive into the world of homeowners insurance?
Well, first off, know that like everybody's insurance has gotten more expensive. So it's not just your company, whoever it is.
Right.
But it's important to first take a look at what your coverages are. Some people are overinsured, some people are underinsured. If you're overinsured, it'd be a good time to make that adjustment so you're not paying for insurance coverage that you don't need. I think it's really important when you make a selection of a new insurance company, if you were to shop around, you seriously look at what people's claims experiences are with certain companies. What I've noticed is the companies who are really, really inexpensive are a nightmare through the claims experience, and that's why they're so inexpensive, is because they don't pay out, right? And then lastly, you can't shortchange the importance of having a good agent, like a good local contact with when things go sideways, you can get them involved so they can help out. I'm a little biased because I grew up with an insurance agent as a dad.
That's right, I know.
But it's important, you know, you need to have a good who to talk to rather than being stuck on some 1-800 number or online trying to submit a form. So.
And if you're in this boat where your homeowner's insurance is increased, you're shopping around behind garage door number 3, and you get to the point where you have some options, you've talked to some agents, and now you have some comparisons to make.
Yeah, the first thing, and this is really important, make sure you're comparing apples to apples, because insurance is one of these things where you can make small adjustments to how the insurance is packaged up. You can make a dramatic difference in the cost, and it might be an insurance coverage that you really need to maintain. So you certainly don't want to underinsure. It's also important, again, to research how people handle their claims if there's issues. You can usually find this pretty quickly by surveying a group of friends. Hey, does anybody have this particular insurance company? Have you ever had a claim? What's that been like? And then if you make changes, it's crucial that you update your mortgage company, and typically it's whomever you're making your mortgage payments to. It's for a couple of reasons. One, you want them to know that you didn't just drop your insurance, because they'll get a cancellation notice from the old company. It's important they know that you have your own coverage, or they'll force place it, and that's way more expensive. And then lastly, when they do their escrow analysis, and it's important to understand this isn't immediate, it'll be a little while, but when they do it, they'll be able to use the updated premium, at which time they'll be able to adjust your mortgage payments. So,
Guess what? That's another HomeWise topic.
It sure is.
All
It's
right.
a good one.
Tyler, thank you. If you would like to share what you've learned here today or check out some of our other HomeWise topics, just visit who13.com.